money making ideas for felons. Yep, it's next on the list. Watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna talk about money making ideas for felons. Now, before you start with the comments and the disrespectful stuff, I'm not a felon, not a convict, never been to jail, right? Not yet. But anyway, I'm just joking. But but this is actually a search term. There's people out there, a lot of people out there, who are actually looking for ways, money making ideas, and they actually have a record. They're a felon or whatever, and they want to make money too. Obviously, they want to make money legit. I'm assuming legit ways to make money. So the cool thing is, in this video, I'm gonna share with you, actually, really not even sharing that new, but just let you know there are ways to make money if you are a felon, if you do have a record. Now, granted, a lot of people, when they get out of jail or prison, they do find it hard to find like your traditional 9-to-5 jobs, right? A lot of times you get involved with programs or this or that, or know somebody, right? But everybody don't know somebody, right? So what can you do, right? What can you do? Pretty much anything, right? When it comes to making money online, right? All the opportunities that I talk about on my channel, things like affiliate marketing, creating your own products, all right? And you can, there are actually some like work from home hourly jobs you still can apply for. It doesn't really matter about your history. But when you think about outside of the norm ideas to make a lot of money online, YouTube, right? Think about it. YouTube, you don't need YouTube don't check your past. I don't believe so. They don't check your record. It doesn't matter. You could even have a YouTube channel based around being a felon, and I'm sure you can somehow monetize that if you really wanted to. But guys, if you're watching this, I'm assuming you're a felon, right? If you watching the video, it says money making ideas for felons, right? I'm assuming you have that issue of like, man, I want to make money, but the traditional 9-to-5s aren't hiring me or whatever. Why don't you just be a boss, be an entrepreneur? You can do it just like many others are doing online. You can be a affiliate marketer, find products, learn the game, learn how to do affiliate marketing. Like if you're a felon or whatever, there's nothing stopping you from learning. If you're watching this somehow from jail, from prison, start studying like YouTube, how to market online, right? You could even start your own social media marketing agency as a felon, right? Because you can get clients and no one's checking it because you're your own boss. You run your own thing. So you can literally start your own social media marketing. You can do local business social media marketing for that business, all right? And you can get clients and you can make a lot of money doing it. Keep in mind, it is a grind. You got to learn it, you got to do it, but it can be done, all right? So I'm just giving you ideas. Those are ideas, and I know it probably sounds like, man, that's the normal stuff, but it is. There's nothing really when it comes to making money online or being an entrepreneur. It doesn't matter about if you've been to jail or prison or not. It really doesn't. You know what I mean? If you look at some successful people, you can research them if you want, but you'll see so many people that have past records. So many people have been locked up before, and now they're millionaires, right? They run their own business. So yes, you can get a traditional 9-to-5 work from home job or something like that, but it'll be a little more difficult in some cases if you are a felon. But really change the mindset. Why don't you just be your own boss, do your own thing, right? So that's my take on it. You pretty much can do anything anybody else can do when it comes to making money online. Like I said, I just gave you the ideas. Affiliate marketing, learn that. You can look at my channel for that. Start your own YouTube channel based on whatever you want. It'd be smart to kind of have something that you can monetize, right? Create your own products. It's not hard anymore to create your own products. And the list goes on and on, guys. But just to let you know, it is very possible to make money online, even with a record or you a felon, whatever. It can be done, but you just gotta want to do it. Put the time in to learn this stuff and just do it. Like my little Nike thing. I ain't sponsored by Nike, but I just happen to have this on. But just do it. Alright, so hopefully this video helped you out. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing, right? I don't know what you're doing. You need to jump on that. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also, if you check the description of this video, you will see a couple opportunities that can get you started with making money online. A lot of stuff that I'm doing right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.